This is the third in a series of videos about Prezi Next, and on this video we're going to start with the template that we set up last time, which has got 4 topic covers on them, and we are therefore set up to have 4 topics in our presentation. To go under the topic cover, you double click on the topic cover there, and here we have the first topic for our presentation. Okay, now if I go back using the overview button, the presentation I'm doing is for a recipe, and it's for winter vegetable curry. So the first thing I'm going to do is just edit this text title by clicking in the text frame, and I can then rub out this and I can put my title in, winter vegetable curry. Okay, I'll just move that text frame out of the way by using the handle, because I want to get rid of this second text frame, and I can do that by just clicking in the text frame and pressing the delete key on the keyboard. So that's gone. Move this back again. When you put text into a text frame, you can resize the text and the frame just by dragging the frame handles, or you can use the text menu at the top of the Prezi window. The menus are context sensitive, so because the text frame is switched on, we've got the text menu at the top. If I click outside the text frame, you can see the menu changes, so that if I click on one of the topic covers, we get a different menu again. Okay, so we've done our title. Now I want to start adding our content, the actual recipe and recipe images, to topics 1 to 4. I've pre-prepared those, and it's always a good idea to do that. So I have a Word document with my recipe steps on, and I've got a folder that has my recipe images, and I'm going to use those now to add the content into the presentation. So if I go into topic 1 by double clicking, first of all I want to change the title, so instead of topic 1 this is going to be step 1 of the recipe. So I can just type that in instead. We can move that up towards the top of the topic box or topic frame, and as I move that around you can see the center align marker picking up. So I can drop that out there now, and that's in the center of the window. Now I've got a text frame already, so I can click into that. I can go to my Word document with the content on, the text content, copy the text that I want, use Ctrl+C, the shortcut, and then just go back to my Prezi and paste that into there with Ctrl+V. All you do then is just use the frame handles to realign the frame, set it up as you want it. I want to center that again, so I'm just going to move around. There's the center align marker. Let go there. So I've got my text in for step 1 of the recipe. Now I want my image to represent that step. So I just want to use the insert menu again to insert an image. I want curry 1, and if I open that, that puts that image straight into this frame, and I can move that again using the handles, resize it, and that's step 1 done. To go back to the overview, I can either use the overview button or the arrow in the bottom left corner. Let's use that one. So we've done topic 1. Notice that the actual content of topic 1 isn't showing. That's useful in a presentation because your audience doesn't see the content until you want them to. If we go into topic 2, we'll just do that once more, just as a recap. So this is now going to be step 2. Move that up to the top to center it. I'm going to put text into the text frame by copying it from my Word document. When I go back to Prezi, we can paste it in there, resize the text frame, and last of all add my image for step 2 by using the insert menu. Insert the image and use Curry 2 this time. Okay, so we've got steps 1 and 2 done. Now if I go back to the overview again, you might have noticed from my Word document that we've obviously got more than 4 steps here. We've got 6 steps. So on our presentation I'm going to need more than 4 topics. I'm going to show you in the next video how to add extra topics. We use this button down here, but there are different types of topics that you can add. You can add planet or stack topics, and we'll look at that in the next video. One last thing I'm going to do on this video is show you how to add videos. So under topic 4, if I go into that topic cover, let's just change the title on that to video. Now what you need to do is find the video that you want on YouTube. It is possible to upload your own videos, but only on the paid versions of Prezi Next. So I've already found a video I want to use in YouTube for winter vegetable curry. I'm going to copy the web address from the top. So Control C to copy that. Come back to Prezi, into my window where I want to put the video, and then again I just use the insert menu. I want to insert a video, and when I click on that we get the panel on the right. There's the button to upload your own videos if you're using a paid version. If we want to embed a YouTube video, we just click in this little window, paste in our web address, Control V, and then click on the insert button, and that puts the video in, and we can resize that as we did with the images. So we've now got a video, and we've got the first 2 steps of our recipe. Let me just delete that text frame. Okay, so we've looked at inserting text, inserting video. What I'll do in the next video, as I said, is talk about topics and subtopics and topic covers.